Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable Google Gemini on the Poco C75. Now to do that, just open the Google app. Now from here, just tap on the profile icon at the upper right corner on the display. Now from here, just tap on settings. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Google Assistant. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Digital Assistant from Google. Now from here, just select Google Gemini. Now from here, tap on Switch. Now from here, just tap on Switch. Now from here, tap on More and tap on Use Gemini. Now from here, if you tap and hold on the Home button, you can enable Google Gemini. And this is how you can enable Google Gemini on the Poco C75. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.